It's creepy.
Hey everyone! Sorry if you don't know me. I'm not saying my name this time. I'll whisper to you, Sophia. Anyway, what I was saying was, I'm going to show you how to burp. So you open your mouth. Step 1. You hold your breath in your throat. And you burp. And I'm doing a burping contest with my sister. So, there's no winner though. Okay, Zelly, so try to burp 2 times. Haha. Whoop.
How can you do
I'm a professional myself.
I'm going to get a dorm.
Okay.
No, I don't want to go in this place. Oh,
You want me to teach you how? Sorry, guys.
yes.
So, do this.
Hey, there's a toilet down there.
You hold your breath in your throat. See what I'm
Shower room.
See what I'm saying, Zoe?
I do not want to become that little guy. Okay, just my makeup.
I'm a professional myself, Zoe. That's why I always.
Oh, goodness.
Sorry,
Yum,
that took so
yum,
long.
yum, yum, yum,
My
yum.
sister's a talking cat.
Anyway,
I'm gonna show you how to sorry, it's dark, guys. I was gonna start calling. Yeah, I was just checking on something. Hey, Zelly.
I'm brushing my hair into something. What do we want to brush?
I'm sorry, this is so short. It's my first time. Bye.